Hello, welcome back. Today we start our first topic, which is concept of computer programming. Let's get started. Okay, first we see steps involved in programming process. There are 5 steps involved in programming, which are as follows. 1. Define the problem. 2. Planning the solution. 3. Coding the program. 4. Testing the program. 5. Documenting the program. Before discussing these steps, see today's fact. Did you know? The first programmer in the world was a woman. Her name was Ada Lovelace, and she worked on an analytical engine back in the 1800s. Okay, now we discuss the first step, which is define the problem. It is impossible to develop a solution to a problem if you do not have a clear understanding of the problem itself. Programmer's first task is to determine the problem. It involves the following steps. 1. The program objective. 2. The desired output. 3. The input data required. 4. The processing requirements. Second step, which is planning the solution. Once the programmer has determined what the problem is, his next step is to plan the solution by using structured programming technique or tool. This technique involves the following steps. 1. Top-down program design. 2. Algorithm. 3. Flow chart. Before going to third step, we discuss about these 3 steps. Top-down program design. Algorithm. Flow chart. What is top-down program design? Once you have determined the outputs and inputs, you can use top-down program design to identify the program's processing steps. Such steps are called program modules. Each module is made up of logically related program statements. Figure shows an example of a top-down program's design for a payroll report. Each of the boxes shown is a module, or, in the lower part, a sub-module. What is algorithm? Algorithm is a step-by-step method of designing a program using normal human language statements. It describes the logic and processing flow of a program. Algorithm is like an outline or summary form of the program you will write. What is flowchart? A flowchart is a pictorial representation of logic used in a computer program. It illustrates the major program elements and how they are logically integrated. The flowchart uses standard symbol called ANSI symbols, after the American National Standard Institute, which them. Third step, which is coding the program. Once the solution has designed, the next step is to write the program, which means coding the program. In this step, programmer has to write the program in his own language which he or she understand. After that, convert the program in computer language through language translators. Fourth step, which is testing the program. After coding the program, the next and the important step is to test the program. Testing the program means to see the result of program as per planned or not. This step follows the following stages. 1. Syntax error. 2. Logic error. 3. Runtime error. Now, fifth and last step, which is documenting the program. It is the last step in program developing. Here the programmer writes all the details related to program. It is very important to document the program because it helps in problems or modification. Thanks for watching the video. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe this channel and gives a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for future updates. Thanks.